One of the advantages of having a web-based manager as opposed to a desktop-only manager is that you can access the system from an external machine. This can include a laptop, control system, or even a phone or a tablet. The manager was designed with a touchscreen interface in mind. Now, as you can see, right now we're connected to our local host at 127.0.0.1, port 3000. If you were to connect from another machine, you would simply need to get the IP address of the machine running the manager. And you can do this easily in Windows using ipconfig. Simply open your command line, type ipconfig, and hit enter. Now you need to locate the adapter that you're using to connect to the network. You will see an IPv4 address listed. In this example, my IP address is 169.254.130.228. So if we type that into our browser, you'll see that we can hit the manager in the same way as using localhost. Now, you want to specify port 3000, and if you're running HTTPS, you want to use port 3001. Now, if you do connect using a mobile device, you can right-click by tapping and holding for 2 seconds. Otherwise, the controls are the same as any other mobile website. Here you can see a demo of the IPBT Manager running on a Google Pixel 3. And as you can see, all the functionality of the website still works in the mobile browser. Thank you for watching this video on IPBT Manager Remote Viewing.